Hello, driving intelligence community. I created this channel because I enjoy helping people with their automotive and boat problems. But while I'm here to help you, I also need your help. How can you help me? First, I need you to subscribe to my channel. This will grow my channel, help me reach more people, and provide even more flexibility to support you through my channel. And second, I need your ideas for channel content. What problems are you or have you experienced with your vehicle or boat that left you frustrated, stranded in the middle of the road, or put you in the poorhouse with shocking repair bills? Not only do I want to help you fix your vehicle, I want to help you have a base of knowledge before you take your vehicle to a mechanic for repair. Driving intelligence is a bit of a play on words. I want you to have the tools you need to drive your own level of intelligence so you feel empowered when you take your second most expensive asset to a shop for repair. In fact, I also want you to perform the appropriate maintenance to keep that vehicle out of the shop for many miles and many years. Let's help each other. You subscribe to my channel and contribute to the channel through your experiences and questions, and I will do my best to respond to your ideas through additional YouTube content. I look forward to hearing from you.